Every day, modern digital work feels like an endless cycle of app switching. You bounce between a buried email chain, an overgrown spreadsheet, and a blank document, trying to manually pull the right pieces together. When you try to use AI in this environment, the workflow is tedious. You have to highlight the data, copy it, open a separate tab, and paste it into your chatbot, hoping the model understands the specific context you've provided. The problem is that the AI has no view of your broader business operations. Because it's locked outside your workspace, it lacks access to the files and conversations that define your actual work. Without this environmental awareness, AI remains a disconnected text predictor, unable to help with the actual tasks on your screen. That isolation is ending. This week, Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic simultaneously released updates designed to remove the barriers separating your digital apps. Instead of forcing you to migrate your data out to an external chatbot, these companies are moving their AI models directly into the software where you already store your files and manage your team. The manual effort of moving data between apps is becoming obsolete as software begins to share information automatically across your entire workspace. Google is leading this shift with Workspace Intelligence. It funnels data from Gmail, connects to Google Drive, reads your chat history, and links to Docs into a single unified hub for Gemini. In Google Sheets, Gemini autonomously scours the web to populate data, then immediately translates it into an interactive dashboard. Open a blank Google Doc, ask for a profitability report, and the AI invisibly pulls that necessary data directly from your drive. Workspace Intelligence transforms a fragmented collection of separate apps into one continuous, unified data stream. Anthropic is pursuing a similar goal through Claude's new Live Artifacts. Live Artifacts link directly to external data connectors. You can build a dashboard to track your inbox metrics, like total email volume or busy periods, and the artifact will automatically refresh as new data flows in. Because it pulls from the connector, the dashboard updates without forcing the model to generate a new response. This allows you to monitor live data without consuming your generation limits. Meanwhile, OpenAI is introducing workspace agents for business accounts. These are autonomous agents built directly inside the ChatGPT interface to execute tasks across your linked business tools. Across the industry, the strategy has moved from static chat windows towards continuous connected data pipelines. While these workflow integrations are maturing, the raw generation models behind them still have specific limitations. Look at OpenAI's new Images 2.0 model. This comparison shows OpenAI's improvement. The left shows typical garbled AI text, while Images 2.0 produces perfectly legible typography, accurately rendered onto a physical surface. However, high-quality rendering doesn't always mean the AI understands the context of a request. When asked to crop a subject out of a car, Gemini cleaned the background while keeping the dog in frame. ChatGPT removed the dog and left the user sitting awkwardly inside the vehicle. Even as these tools gain direct access to your workspace, the raw models still require human oversight to correct these behavioral errors. As these integrations mature, the workflow shifts, transitioning from tools that wait for a prompt to systems that initiate actions in the background. In Google Workspace Studio, you can set up a workflow that scans incoming emails and determines their urgency. If a message matches your priority criteria, the AI triggers an immediate notification in Google Chat automatically. Anthropic is moving Claude in the same direction with an Act Without Permission toggle. This allows the AI to complete multi-step tasks without pausing for your approval at every stage. This changes the human role in the workspace. Instead of actively prompting an AI for every output, you are becoming a supervisor overseeing autonomous systems. The capabilities will expand as tools like Notebook LM and Deep Research are integrated into these workspaces, allowing the AI to synthesize information from thousands of your personal files. This requires a shift in how you manage your data. To benefit from these updates, you have to stop viewing software as a series of individual apps and start treating your workspace as a centralized hub. These systems cannot process documents stored on a disorganized local hard drive. To use these features, you must centralize your data in a unified cloud drive, where the AI can reach it. AI is capable of managing your entire digital workflow as a single unit, but it requires all your data to be stored where it can actually see it.